Water tubes of things grow into water tubes as species technology. Cloning technology. Policy technology. You copy, paste some DNA of someone or some animal form or alien form. You clone it with DNA and make a copy of the genome, and it grows into a water clone tube. A tube that's full of water, attached with all kinds of wires to it. A water tube. Water tubes that they clone different species that grows into the food form of what it is as a creature, a human, or any kind of clone they clone into a water tube. Growing from an egg, it grows into a water tube of life forms of any kind. This technology is called policy technology, cloning. And a clone in a water tubes of different clones. And then, if they clone a copy of something of the genome, and make a copy and paste of something of life form, and they clone it into another animal or human being to grow it as a clone till it's born. But they use this technology, policy technology, copy, paste, and grow clones in these water tubes that grow into full species, and then they release them back to the world. What clones are, they're copies of different DNA, different genes, of any kind of species there is. They're copies. Clones are not from this world. Clones are copies of things, of life species, and they're not the real person, or they're not the real species that they're cloned by as a copy. That's what clones are. And they grow these clones in water tubes in secret, UNDERBASE, secret locations from Red Society, that they cloning people, they're cloning species or whatever they can that looks like you, but it's not them. It's a copy of you. This is called cloning. Cloning is being a copy of the DNA of something, or somewhat of species. And some of them, they grow in water tubes. And the technology is called policy technology. Cloning, putting clones into water tubes to grow. Technology, top secret. Cloning water tubes. Policy technology, Mccorkle has spoken once again. Cloning water tubes of things grow into water tubes as species technology.